Viewers, today latest update from Ethiopia and Tigray clashes. Viewers, Ethiopia released a lot of trucks like the United Nations humanitarian aid to Tigray. The military forces of Tigray and Oromo Liberation Army said that they have captured Diglo city, while they are saying they are going to be Merhabit. Meanwhile, news from the north of Shiva says that the fighting between Shiva Robit and Debrecen, though there is still heavy fighting in Shiva Robit town and its surroundings, the government and the local forces are supporting them, who is fighting with the opposition forces. The wars are also going on in Afar region and they have caused a lot of losses and the fighting is still going on even though the two sides have not made a big progress in the war. The representative of the African Union for the Horn has held a meeting with the leadership of Tigray Defense Force and the below. News are saying that it is possible to stop bullets. Many civilians were killed in Valaga region. Although there were no official numbers, but the government and the Oromo army are accusing each other for the killing. Fights have occurred in Matakal region of Banishangul region and the government troops have said that they have caught several fighters from Banishangul freedom fighters. On the other hand, the Banishangul freedom fighters are also saying they said that many areas in Matakal region were taken over while they said that they are the last wars in development they made it. The special army of Amhara region that is helping the militia of the region said that they attacked Wag Zemra district saying that they have captured several towns in Wag Hamra. And viewers, according to the Tigray sources, the Tigrayan army, enemy of the Tigray army who has a strong goal and faith, has built a strong fortress and used the killings that they believe they cannot cross and pass by, and then the power that was gathered. The military line was holding with amazing wisdom and speed, breaking the center of Mans and Gesh, the capital city of Mans. The Tigrayan army, who is moving forward with shining victories in the direction of Virilo, is moving forward after the Western Command and other parts of the city of Desilo is moving to shelter and at high speed. The Tigrayan army, who tried to disrupt the military journey that is found in this front and right wing. The Tigrayan army that is going on in Eti and Semti front has started the attack campaign that was started by the Tigrayan army between Semti and Shiva Robit, who has been using a position to disrupt the movement of Tigray army, has made Abiy army to destroy and disperse the power that is increasing and wisdom. The power that survived from this is shaking it around Shiva Robit. The Tigrayan army has announced that the people of Volo are supporting the people of Mens, Gesh and Mriha, are supporting and cooperating with the Tigray army wherever the Tigray army enters. Therefore, the Tigrayan army has given a great thanks to the support the people of Volo and Semen Shiva. So viewers, this is the latest update about it. For more latest report, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.